Hey, hi guys. Welcome to another market breakdown for the week of November. 20th November. We actually are 1 week out, 2 weeks out before it's December. And it's very, very evident to us that things have changed in this market. Personally, I've not been in very, very good health. Um, Due to that, my trading also hasn't been consistent. But we praise God. We thank Jesus. I'm healed now, and I think I not that I think I know my health has been restored. So straight to the point, straight to the charts. What we're seeing right now on the dollar is kind of unique. This is not the first time it's happened. Um, this pair has been making higher highs and higher lows from. I'll just show you guys from July 13, 2023. And it's been able to make consistent high highs up to the point, or it was able to do that up to this point around 107 247. But from this area around here, if we're looking at this zone, modifying it, um, around this point, 1st November 2023, the dollar has actually reversed. What are the criteria for reversals? If you find price breaking previous lower lows and giving you bearish momentum candles like this Marubozo over here and engulfing previous candles, and you have a moving average crossover 814, which is as clear as day, then there's only one thing. This pair could likely, most likely, you know, find itself, uh, in lower lows like this. So, what is driving this reversal? First things first. If we're looking at fundamentals, if we're looking at what's happening around the calendar, the Fed has signaled that it won't raise interest rates again because they are looking at what we call a soft landing. I don't know if you guys have heard this word before. They're thinking that they're going to have a soft landing. In economics, a soft landing simply means they're going to come out of a potential recession scenario without adversely affecting businesses in the US. So they're very, very confident about this because of some of the measures that they've taken in terms of macroeconomic and monetary policy. So due to that, investors are invested in the United States dollar again, so they don't want to hold dollar assets. They're hedging their funds elsewhere. And because that demand for the dollar is reducing, then we can find a weakness in the dollar. We had a couple of good opportunities last week. I made a couple of opportunities myself and gave back my money to the market. It's not been really consistent for me since August, but what I'm focusing on right now is what I call capital preservation, which is extremely important because I know it can take time to expand your capital, but eventually, once we have a good entry, then we will be catching this move all the way down from here, possibly to here or here, in chunks. So what am I looking at this week? Monday, fundamentally, if I'm looking at this week, fundamentally, we don't have a lot going on today, but tomorrow we have a lot of Canadian data coming out. We have a bank president talking again, 5 p.m. Wednesday, we have unemployment claims from the U.S. So personally, I know this will be really good to trade. Thursday, if we're looking at it, it may be a really really good day to trade as well because we have this flash manufacturing data coming from the UK around 10:30 a.m. Cameroon time, and of course Friday. We know what Friday is. It typically is always quiet, depending on you know what the market wants to do. So what I'm looking at is again the same thing. Market right now is stuck around this zone, around 103,541. It got there early this morning and created a structure. And you can find that indecision candle there, which means you should wait, you should hold on, study your candlesticks. So I'm expecting a breakout of the market, to create a lower low, a retest. And once I see that, of course, I'll be taking counterpart trades on my pair, the euro dollar. So guys, watch out for this zone 103,541, and bear in mind that the dollar has reversed. I don't think it's going to make higher strides. Um, there's a war going on in all over the world. There's a new one in Gaza and Israel. So that is driving, this market in that direction as well, as people continue to lose confidence in the United States. So guys, I wish you the best this week. Do not trade what you do not see. Only trade what you see. Sharpen and hone your fundamental analysis, sharpen and hone your technical analysis, and bring them together so you can have very powerful trade setups to exploit and make some money for yourself. So take care, and I will talk to you guys on the next one. Bye.